is Tywon with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a unboxing video for the QLife H2Well product. We received this product recently, and it went through our testing, and so we want to do an unboxing video for you guys to show you how it will come to your home, and some of the actual accessories that are actually with the product. Let's jump in and actually see what comes with the product. So it comes with really good packaging. It actually has here on the side, it shows you how to use the device, as well as it gives you some specs on this side of the packaging. So it really comes packaged very well. So we can go ahead and open it up and open up the system. Got a little stuff. Products in here. Looks like we have, here's a big section, the packaging. So this must be the reservoir. We'll take out all the products first, and just smaller one, and a little bit bigger. So we'll go ahead and start with the big one first. And in this one is the reservoir. Comes 800 milliliters, and as well as we have a manual. Let's set the reservoir here. It has a manual. Well, also it has some maintenance kit for the product. Set that down. It's over here. Now in this one, open this one. This is a little bigger, so it's the base. Supposing it's the base, and this is actually what you set the reservoir on. You set the reservoir on to generate the hydrogen-rich water. This product would be classified as a hydrogen pitcher system or a batch device, and it's just another category for producing hydrogen-rich water. There's some good quality ones on the market, and this is actually one of them. And here in the smaller one, we actually have a silicone sleeve. This goes around the reservoir to help for better gripping. And then we have your power pack, or your power cord. Oops, dropped the adapter. But here's your power cord, and it actually comes with an adapter piece that will allow you. It will allow you to use the system on 110 voltage or on 220, depending on where you live. So it's compatible with both. And that is all the components. Double check. That is all the components for the system. In the next video, we'll actually do a demonstration video of actually putting the system together, plugging it in, and just running it through its normal operations to show you how the system works. It's a very simplistic device, very easy to use. And this is the unboxing video for the QLife H2Well device by H2Hubb. Catch us next time at the H2Hubb.